आम्ही ताका सांगलें की इट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन ऑफ इम्प्लिमेंटींग 7वो वेतन आयोग. इट इज ऑलरेडी इम्प्लिमेंटेड. आमचे 34 म्हयन्याची थकबाकी आसा. प्रोविडंट फंडाचे जे आमचे बेकायदेशीर बंद जाला आहा तो चालू करपाक जाय आनी थकबाकी आसा ती दिवपाक जाय. आनी वी टोल्ड दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट शूड डिसायड वेन एरियस वील बी पेड. वी आर नॉट हार्पिंग दॅट फाल्यां आमकां विदीन 90 days एरियस फारीक करात. माय कलीग एडवोकेट सुहास नायक ऑल्सो इन्फॉर्म द चीफ मिनिस्टर that earlier also when 6 pay was implemented, agreement was signed what arrears was paid in the stages later on. So he requested that I am calling the MD. He should give his office instruction that 6 there should be a settlement to be signed, and he appealed us and requested us the hesitation going on should be withdrawn. We are going back to meet the workers. It is two-way like withdrawing and sitting back. Azad Maidan is our place where we are sitting. Even if we decide today to withdraw, and if the 6th matter is not settled by the Honorable Chief Minister, we are sure that we told him that this same situation had come when the assembly elections were there. We reminded him, so he said no, it will be settled now.